Hi babies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's Maya back again with another bum ass YouTube video. So today, as you guys can tell the title, I am back with another week of self-care, a little maintenance vlog, a little glow up. Don't mind the TV show in the back. I'm watching my niece and she was watching that right there. Say hi, Mimi. Hi, baby. She ain't fucking with me right now because I muted her show for real. This is going to be for New Year's. Some of you guys say New Year, New Me. I say New Year, New Appearance. So with that being said, something is going to change. But yeah, today it is December 22nd. It's currently 2:03. Today I have a nail appointment and I'm actually going to go to my mom's nail tech. And hopefully she does my nails right because I just been hopping from people to people really trying to find my nail tech. Our sponsor for this video, I want to thank ElfinHair, I think is how you say it. So they did send me some tape ins. This is what they look like. They are 22 inches and they are 80, I think, in here. And yeah, this is gonna be my first time getting tape ins as well, so you're gonna see how it goes. I got 22 inches because I feel like it's the perfect length, and I'm gonna put all the details to this hair in the description box. I'm gonna talk to you guys more about the hair. You guys are gonna see the quality of the hair and everything that brings in the box and everything like that on my hair appointment, which is the 27th. So yeah, we're gonna get back to the hair when I'm doing my hair. But yeah, right now we about to go get my nails done, so I'm gonna see you guys when I'm at my nails appointment. I'm probably gonna stop by the ATM and get some money. So it is the next day and I really like my nails. Like, I think I found my new nail tag for real. I honestly really like them. The only thing is that the little pearls was supposed to be a little smaller, but this is the smallest one that she had. But today it's a Friday and I'm about to do my lashes. So I have my lash appointment, you could say, because I get my lashes done by my best friend. And we don't use like dumb professional lashes. I literally go to the beauty store and get these, the I Envy ones. So this is the ones that I get. This is a pack with 280 in it. And if you guys seen my last maintenance vlog that I just did last month, she did my lashes with this pack. It was the I Envy waterproof glue. And let me tell you guys, my lashes, literally, like, some of them was falling off and I was like refilling them as I went. But like after like 3 weeks, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take these off because I want to give my lashes a break before I put these on. And when I tell you guys, I had to sit in the mirror with my freaking pinza and had to like literally take them out, my lashes, because they was not coming out. So this glue is good because your lashes will last. And then I got these, which these are longer, as you guys can tell, and I want to do like the cat eye, so not too much on the ghetto setup that we have. But you know, why would I go get my lashes done when I could do them myself, or I could have my best friend do them? You gotta think smart, not harder. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflicts with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no sadness with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're the missing, you wishing, baby, what it was. I've been down, baby, no, it's in the lion. No, it's ain't no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, did you to make me feel just like this? What I would do to make you feel just like this? And if you wonder if I hate you, did you to make me feel just like this? What I would do to make you feel just like this? Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not too violent with you. Now I'm not too silent. You got me no permission. No missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your soul, you don't never listen. No, no. So I'm at my hair appointment. We got Lun in the back. Y'all already know who's doing my hair, so we about to get started, and I'm scared because I'm going black, and like let's say bye to this Maya right here, because I'm ready to be a brand new bitch. Yeah, we ready to get started, so wish me luck, and I hope that I don't come out hating my hair. Once again, I just want to thank ElfinHair for sponsoring this video. Like I said at the beginning of this video, they did send me some tape-ins, and this is everything that came in the box. They did send me a lot of goodies, which I'm very thankful for, because you guys know we love goodies in the bag. The tape-ins are 22 inches, and it is a 80 piece, the one that I got. The hair was very soft, very good quality, and it's actually very easy to install because this was her first time doing it, and it was not that hard, and they came out very bomb. So again, all the links in the description box.
Tell me, son, tell me, is it someone to you blame on my toe? I stole something I don't know. Can't keep explaining myself. Looks like I'm draining myself. I guess there's no one to blame but myself. Got a big heavy cup out drinking with help and tainting myself. I'm ashamed of myself. I've been praying for myself like you used to. Embracing myself like you used to. No, things is different. Your name is different than that stranger says I'm okay with this and I can't say it different. Never even met him, can't hate the nigga. Although I hate the feeling, I gotta. Although I hate the feeling, I gotta face the feeling. I gotta feel that shit. Hate the feeling, kill that shit. The only way to hear that shit, you know. They won't hear nigga talk that shit. As real as this, as real as this. I'm feeling like I still got this. I keep more on the till that shit. More on the till that shit. More on the till that shit.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Today is Wednesday and it's currently 4 o'clock and this is what my hair looks like. So I feel like the black gotta grow on me. Like I like it, but then there's times that I'm like, fuck, like I don't like it. Like I mix my brown and then I'm like, ooh, I like it, something new. So it just gotta grow on me. But my bitch Lun did that with the tape extensions though. Ooh, what you mean it's not my hair? Like, be for real. Extensions are very good quality too, literally. Like they literally match my hair texture. Like when you touch it, it doesn't feel like it. Like you guys could tell. Like look at this. But to get into the color of my hair, I use the semi-permanent one, and this is the one that I use. That's why like my roots are black, and then my ends are really black, and the middle is kind of still like a natural black, kind of brownish, because my hair was different colors. So like back here is still like light. It's like a natural black. I don't know if you guys can tell, because this was blonde back here. So I'm not mad about it though, because you guys knew I didn't want to go very black off the bone. So yeah, we're gonna slowly, you know what I'm saying, build up to that if I still want to dye my hair more black than what it is now. But yeah, but I'm about to be on my way to go get these eyebrows done, and I'm going to also be getting my toes done, so you guys can see, right? Like the middle of my hair is like a very, like, it's very natural black. It's not just black. And you know, we're gonna go into it. My forehead looking big as shit right now, so let me go.
It's the speaker now. If you only knew how much it breaks my heart when you say things like I hate you. The sound of that almost gave me a heart attack. I bet if I said I would leave you, you wouldn't even care. If you see me bawling tears, I bet you wouldn't even shed one. Not one. Do you even love me like you say? I wonder. Damn, that's fucked up. Love, please tell me why I love her. Girl, I'll beg you for my heart back. Shouldn't have to go through all that. You do fine with just one. Why you gotta be so selfish? Why you gotta be so selfish? created memories in those. I know you think my heart is fine, but
Hey Alexa, what's today?
Today is Friday, December 30th.
Hey Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:54 a.m.
So today is Friday. It's currently 12 something a.m. I kind of woke up under the weather today. I'm not gonna hold y'all. My throat was hurting, couldn't swallow, couldn't eat. My mom made me a tea and I feel a little bit better now. You guys might be wondering, Maya, what are you about to do at this time? This is what we about to do. You're about to wax. I want to stop shaving and I want to start waxing. So I was like, you know what better time than to start right before the new year? I did get a Brazilian wax once before and it wasn't that bad, but it's a difference when you're pulling it yourself and somebody else is pulling it, bro. I'm already regretting it. I think it's ready. So I'm gonna put baby powder because we ain't doing it. We ain't doing it without baby powder. Oh shit. Are we really doing this? I guess we really doing this. Okay guys, we ready to pull it off. Oh no. Man, I just hope it all comes out and I don't gotta retouch nothing. Ow! Can't do this. I cannot do this. I could do this. Just pull it off. I can't. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna be a bitch today. Like my hand won't do it. Like it's like I do it, but my hand don't do it for real. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, it's not bad. It was not that bad. Is it bad that I'd rather go one by one with my tweezer than wax? That's so backwards, right? So this is the final look. As you guys can see, I curled the hair. I don't think I'll show you guys my toes, but these are my toes. I actually love how they came out. They're so cute. And yeah, I curled the hair up. You know, I'm feeling the black a little bit more right now because it's a side part. I did my makeup. And yeah, this is just the final look of this glow up. Today is New Year's Eve. I want this video to be up like the 2nd of January maybe. So happy New Year's to all you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's and I hope you guys achieve all your goals that y'all got for this year. I love you guys so much and let's see what this year got in hold for us with this YouTube journey. You know, you guys come along with me because y'all already know y'all the YouTube fan for real. And you know, it's only up from here. Like, I hope you guys enjoy y'all New Year's with y'all family. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I post another video. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see next because y'all already know what y'all want I give. And y'all already know, stay positive, stay cute, and live your best life. And I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye, guys.